As some of you are aware, we're trying to hire for an office position at my company, and we got 15 resumes in this week. We eliminated 8 of them for punctuation and capitalization. Like, seriously, how are you going to apply for an office job and you can't capitalize the first word of a sentence or put a period at the end of your sentence? And then this lady puts hashtag ready to work on her resume, which is cool, I guess. I'm not really a fan of hashtags on the resume. But when you read her resume, she says that she's already worked for a busy corporate office and she's looking to move somewhere slower and more reasonable. What? We're not hiring because we're slow. What is she thinking? So yeah, the joys in hiring people.